Hi students, welcome in the chemistry classes. So here is a good news for all of you at your demand. As you all want the organic chemistry course, so we have here worked on the organic chemistry and now we have made a course for the general organic chemistry means GOC and aromaticity. Here you will get all the things, all basics with the all type of examples you will get here for the GOC. So if any one of you need the GOC basics, okay, you may be from NEET, you may be from IIT JAM, you may be from GAT, CSIRNET, anything. If you are working for any of them, then you can take this course. This course is present in very little amount, okay, and this I have made just for you so that you can understand the GOC with whole types of examples, okay. Besides this, there are several other courses available on our app. So there is full inorganic chemistry course available. Here we have covered all the units means including analytical chemistry, spectroscopy, all the things we have covered here, and you will get the notes in the PDF format also. Okay. Besides this, after each unit you will get the assignment, you can do the solutions, then you will get unit wise mock test. With this you will get the mixed test also. Okay. All types of test I have given you with the solutions, and after this we have given 5 real experience test, real exam experience you will get here, okay, and this is present only in 1499 rupees. So you can visit our app, the links are given in the description box, so you can visit, okay. Besides this, the full physical chemistry course is also available. Here you will get all the units, quantum mechanics, spectroscopy, all the mathematics you need. If you are from the biological background, you will get, and I have done for each concepts a numerical, okay. So you can do the numericals with in the PDFs, okay. You can see that assignments are also given in which you have given different types of the numericals, all the solutions you have given, so you can do yourself and then you can judge it with the solutions. Then you have given here the unit wise mock test. Then you have given after each 4 units we have given here the mixed test, so you can make a decision, okay. Then when you will do whole this thing, you will get the real examination experience test, okay. 6 examination experience test I have given here, and this all things is available only in 1499. Besides this, there are several other courses available like handwritten notes of organometallics, like you have given inorganic spectroscopy, very several other small courses are also available, so you can visit and see that, okay. And we have started here the MCQ shorts, okay. So if you want the general aptitude questions, then you can see our shorts, okay. Shorts are also available, and if you want any more topics on YouTube, then you can comment me, okay. So meet you in the next video. Thank you.